What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. So here is BBIG, Vinco Ventures. This finishes at 79.2 cents today. That is down 20.8%.
And it's gone.
The last time we talked about the stock was when Cryptide came out, which all the apes were waiting for, that ended up being a sell the news event. But today, this was trending again, did make top 10 on StockTwits. I believe it had over 4,000 mentions, so once again, we're going to analyze it. So there was a reason as to why the stock went down so much today. We did have some bearish news, so let's check that out. Shares are trading lower after the company reported that it thwarted what it believes was a hostile takeover attempt by the Farnsworth Group. This happened last night after the post-market closed. The company terminated Theodore Farnsworth and Lisa King. Both Theodore Farnsworth and Lisa King were co-CEOs. Eric Noble, who was the company's chief security officer, and Roderick Vanderbilt, who was the business development director and chairman of the board. So the Farnsworth Group refers to those four individuals. So there appears to be an internal power struggle going on right now. The Farnsworth Group attempted a hostile takeover, it didn't work, and they all got fired. And now the company is left picking up the pieces, trying to recover from this. So there was supposed to be a stockholder meeting scheduled today, but because of all the drama, it is now postponed to August 23rd. So they pushed it a month back. So yeah, really bearish news. The market really didn't like it and sold off quite a bit today. 21% as a result. But alright, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, we have a cup and handle in the making here. Can't really say where the bottom of the cup is because this is making lower lows. But there are multiple possible tops. It can be 160, 225, 260, 305, or even 340, and longer term this is part of an even bigger cup and handle where this has the potential to go all the way back up to 555, 910, or even the high of 1250. But those are all bullish indicators that is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. And then we have 6 gap downs. First gap down is back here at 950, so that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 950 to fill this gap. Second gap down is back here at 750. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 750 to fill this gap. Third gap down is back here at 585. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 585 to fill this gap. Fourth gap down is back here at 275. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 275 to fill this gap. Fifth gap down is back here at 190. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 190 to fill that gap. Sixth and final gap down was created today at 99 cents. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 99 cents to fill this gap. Sextuple gap down, extremely bullish indicator there. In the aftermarket here, this is running up to 80.5 cents. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bullish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will run to the upside. Here we did have a descending triangle forming. So this was consolidating between 99 cents and 104. From there, it was suggesting that the stock would break out to the downside, which it did. So the descending triangle was and still currently is a bearish indicator. And down here on the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD line has not crossed the signal line just yet, but it looks like it will pretty soon to the downside. So that's a bearish indicator that is suggesting that it may be time to sell. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 85 cents and 77 cents. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 85 cents, 99 cents, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 135, 145, 160, 175, 190, 195, $2, 205, 215, 220, 225, 230, 240, 245, and then 250. There is resistance above 250, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next level of support would be 77 cents. 77 cents is the all-time low, so no support below that. That would be uncharted territory. So right now at the current price, 79 cents, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 99 cents to the upside, the channel starts to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 99 cents. But then after 125, the channel starts to open up and get really wide again, up until 190. So from the current price up to 99 cents, expect significant price action. From 99 cents up to 125, expect regular price action. And from 125 up to 190 expect significant price action, and then past 190 expect regular price action again. RSI is currently at 24, so that is an oversold and undervalued territory, and this did 34 million in volume today, which is above the average of 26 million, so the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So fundamentally, I don't really like the stock. There's been a lot of drama in this company in the past year. So personally, I would stay away from this company just based on the fundamentals. But technically, it does look very bullish, not gonna lie. Again, we have some very strong bullish indicators in the cup and handle, sextuple gap down, and low RSI. No bearish indicators other than the MACD, and no neutral indicators. The stock looks really bullish in the short and long terms. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, the current price of 79 cents is an excellent entry. Really can't go too wrong here. Again, only bullish indicators right now. No bearish or neutral indicators. This is the all-time low, so really shouldn't go too much lower. And again, this should come back up to 950 in the longer term to fill the gap there. So from the current price of 79 cents up to 950, that would be over an 1100% upside potential. So a huge upside potential here in the long term. I would say going long at the current price, 79 cents, would be a low risk, very high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. So I can't support going long at the current price, 79 cents. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down to the support of 77 cents. And if it pulls back below that, I don't have any more supports here, but you can continue to average down. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Again, this looks extremely bullish in the short and long terms. This did hit the all-time low today, and really shouldn't go too much further to the downside. You already missed huge downside potential. You really should have went short anywhere from the $12 to $2 range, and here at 79 cents, it's a bit too late to go short. Seems like a really bad idea. I would say going short here at the current price, 79 cents, would be a very high risk, low reward play. Doesn't make too much sense going short here. It is possible to make some money here going short because it still appears like there is some pullback to go, but it would definitely have to be a quick scalp. Get in, get your money, get out. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. But there are definitely way better short plays out there in the market, and honestly, you're probably better off just avoiding this one on the short side and looking elsewhere. So pretty straightforward, guys. Crazy drama going on with this hostile takeover attempt. It didn't work out, but the damage has been done. Massive sell-off today. But the chart still looks really bullish in the short and long terms. So if you want to go long, the current price, 79 cents. Excellent entry, 1100% upside potential in the long term. Really shouldn't go too much lower. This hit the all-time low today. Oversold, undervalued. So I really can't go too wrong here. Going along at the current price, 79 cents. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down. And if you want to go short, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. For the same reasons, going long is a really good play. Going short is a really bad play. Again, all bullish indicators, all-time low. Huge upside potential in the long term. Not too much downside potential. You should have went short a long time ago, anywhere from $12 to $2. Here at 79 cents, it's way too late to go short. So going short here appears to be a really bad idea. There is possibly some money to be made here because it appears like this is a falling knife right now and should pull back a little bit more. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. But there are definitely way better short plays out there in the market right now. You're probably better off avoiding this one on the short side and moving on. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today, but looks like a good buying opportunity, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is BBIG, Vinco Ventures. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.